Hi there, students. Facepalm. A verb, to facepalm. A countable noun and an uncountable noun. So, to facepalm, this one's easy. Oh, God, I'm so embarrassed. That is to facepalm. This is the facepalm meme where you're so embarrassed by something, you just hide your face. This is hiding your face in shame or embarrassment. Yeah, and if you notice, there are uh, um, icons showing the facepalm, showing the facepalm meme. Yeah. Okay. It's one of these gestures. Yeah. And if you actually look at the thumbnail, there's the facepalm meme. Yeah. I think this is probably one of these words that's come from the name of the meme. Yeah, to facepalm. Yeah, it's bringing one or two hands to your face and being really, really embarrassed. So you could have a facepalm moment. Yeah, so I don't know, when my mum starts talking about when I was a baby in company, it's one of those facepalm moments. It's just so embarrassing. Her daughter always facepalms when her mum asks her about boys or her boyfriend. Yeah. This is what this image, this idea. It's primarily found in text. This facepalm, bringing your hand to your face because it's just so embarrassing. So every time I think about that moment, I facepalm. Yeah, I'm just really, really upset. I'm embarrassed. Perhaps I'm even annoyed. Yeah, I made this beautiful meal. I put it all on this big dish. I start to walk out to give it to my guests, and I drop it all over the floor. Facepalm. Oh my God. Yeah. Or maybe this is when you're sending a comment to your friend that you think's a private comment, yeah, and you send it to everybody on your email list or everybody on your chat list. I facepalm. That's another one of these facepalm moments, yeah. Um, it's one of these things that happens. Yeah, so yeah, I think you use this mostly because you're embarrassed, but it could be because you're annoyed or disappointed about something. Facepalm, I can't believe you just did that. Oh my God, that's so embarrassing. Yeah. So notice this facepalm. This facepalm is a meme that's getting popular, more and more popular. Yeah. It's used to. Facepalm is a meme or this gesture to indicate disappointment, frustration with life, and life can be a really frustrating thing. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's one of these cringe moments. This face palm. Yeah. Um, okay, so yeah, it's you bring your hand to your face, you cover your face, you want to disappear. Oh, this is so embarrassing. I guess something exasperating as well. Notice facepalm. I think most commonly, I think probably as one word, but you could have it as a hyphen as well. Yeah. So yeah, a facepalm moment. Yeah, look for the facepalm icon on your phone. I'm sure you're going to find it. Okay, let's see. Formality, to facepalm. 3.5, 4 in formality. Use informally. Use semi-formally in a conversation. Semi-formal writing. Maybe just, but probably not. And definitely not in anything formal. And then, as to origin, I think this word's been around since at least the year 2000. That's probably when chat started to become more popular. Um, so anyway, facepalm, the facepalm meme. Oh my god, what have I said? Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Facepalm.